Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking essential TikTok marketing strategies for 2025. You ready? So, TikTok marketing made simple. So if you're ready to crush it on TikTok in 2025, despite what you hear about the ban, I don't think that's happening anytime soon. We are still only in the second step of all the things that it takes to become a law. So, if you're ready to crush it on TikTok in 2025, let's break down the easiest strategies you can start using right now, today, to grow your brand or business. You ready? So first of all, be real, not perfect. TikTok loves authenticity. Don't stress over polished edits. Just grab your phone. Talk to people like you're chatting with a buddy. Trust me, people connect with the real you. De-influencing is a big thing right now, okay? So that's number one. Be real, not perfect. Number two, team up with smaller creators, those micro or nano influencers, collaborations. They may not have millions of followers, but their audiences are super loyal. Find someone with 1,000 to 50,000 followers who vibes with your brand and ask them to share your product, right? So that's number two, team up with smaller creators. Number three, TikTok has some really cool shopping tools. So set up a TikTok shop or add products links to your video, like TikTok shop affiliate, become a TikTok shop seller. Make it super easy for your audience to buy what you're selling. Right then and there, right?
What are you getting your kids
that's
for
number
Christmas
three.
this year?
Use
Because I
TikTok
need a lot
shopping.
of ideas. I will give you
Number
one.
four, attention spans are short. Grab your viewer in the first 3 seconds and keep your video snappy, 15 to 30 seconds max. Hook them fast or lose them, okay? That's number four, keep it short and snappy. Number five, dancing to a trending sound. Here's a fun one. Jump on trends and challenges, right? See what's popular. Songs, hashtags, dances. And make it work for your brand. If getting up and shaking isn't what you want to do, then make it work for your brand and what you're known for. It's also the easiest way to boost views. Did you know that?
Y'all are so funny.
So that's number five, joining trends and challenges, right?
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Number six, hashtags are your friend, your best friend, right? So use 2 to 3 that fit your video and 1 trending. This helps new people find you, right? Now, the other strategy you could use is the 3x3 strategy by Rachel Peterson. She's amazing. If you want to, you can go look her up on any platform. She's all over the place. She's the queen of social media, and I am lucky enough to have her as my mentor. So use the right hashtags as number 6. Now, number 7, right? You want to speed things up? Try TikTok ads. Start small with just a few dollars a day if you can afford it, and see how much your videos are going to go, right? See what you can get out of them, whether that's follows, saves, shares, right? Break that glass ceiling and get above where you're at now. Make sense? So that's number 7. Try TikTok ads. And number 8, ready? Check your analytics, okay? See what's working, who's watching, what they're loving, what they're not liking. But when you find what they're loving, do more of that, right? So number 8 is check what works. And then that's all of them, right? That's 8 things, actionable steps you can take today to be successful in 2025 and the rest of 2024. So there you have it. Simple TikTok strategies anyone can use in the remainder of 2024 going into 2025 to be successful. Which one are you going to try first? Well, let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like and follow for more. Lots of tips, right? Find the subscribe button around here. Have a good one. That's a wrap. We'll see you next time, guys.